going on, Mixed Nights? I am Nathan Mixer with MixedFitness.com, and today's HIIT training is going to be really core heavy. So you don't need any kind of equipment, you just need some water, maybe a mat if that's needed too as well. We're going to start off with some walkouts, doing that nice brief warm up, and then we're going to go right into the workout, okay? 13 minutes on the clock. Let's get ready to start.
What's going on, everyone? So the workout is a perfect way to warm up that whole entire body. Now with this workout, I'm going to start giving you like a cue, letting you know when to stop the workout. So I had to remind myself to do that. But anyway, your feet are going to be shoulder width apart. You're going to reach for the sky when you come up to that ready position. This is going to help engage the core, okay? Keep your body in a nice little plank, keeping the shoulders over the wrist. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2, 1, and break. All right, we're doing the mountain climbers next, okay? These ain't the low mountain climbers like we had last week. This is gonna be a little bit more easier, so pretty straightforward. Your shoulder's gonna be over your wrist. Your butt's gonna be relatively low. And keep your body in a generally flat line. Bring your knees as close to your chest as possible, as fast as possible. So if you can go faster than me, by all means, go faster than me. It's gonna help build up your shoulders, also your glutes and your legs. Breathe through this workout. 1, and break. All right, calf jumps. If you are a runner, these are gonna be great for you. I do these at stop signs. I do these on really quick breaks to keep your body moving, to keep the blood flowing, and also keep your calves nice and in shock. So if you want to become a faster runner, these will definitely help out. You're pretty much just jumping off your toes, embracing those legs, okay? Be careful because cramps could arise from these. 2, 1, and break. All right, butt kicks are next. So these butt kicks are not like your traditional butt kicks, okay? What I want you to focus on is keeping the core tight. Also, too, with that, I want you to drive the heel of your foot rather, right underneath your glutes, okay? That's gonna give you the ultimate butt kick, and also work those hamstrings in place, okay? Keep your body generally tight and embrace that core. Make sure you're still breathing. 2, 1, and break. All right, so the jog in place, okay? So we're cooling it down, getting the heart rate all nice and settled and ready to go. So you just jog it in place with this particular workout. Control your breathing. This is your chance to kind of bring down your heart rate for what's to come, okay? So focus on your movement, your range of motion if you want to do that. You can make it as dramatic if you need to as well. 3, 2, 1, and break.
All right, so this is your chance to take your break. Drink water if you have to. Get yourself readjusted. The warm-up is complete. We're gonna do some plank dips next. Be real straightforward. Shoulders over your wrist. Let's get back to work.
All right, so the plank dips, okay? So this is a fun workout. It's gonna really engage your core. It's gonna hit your chest up, also your glutes and your hamstrings. So it's gonna stretch the body out. You're gonna find it really taxing on your shoulders too as well. So make sure you hit that plank position nice and strong, okay? Keep that core tight. Your back should not be sagging. Breathe in as you're doing the work. 2, 1, and break. All right, close arm push-up. All right, so the close arm push-up is definitely gonna test your gangster. Now, you can bring your hands as close as you want. You don't have to go as low as me, but try, okay? If you need to, drop to your knees to make it a little bit more easier, but it's gonna help work those triceps. So if you wanna tighten up those arms, this is the way to do it. You wanna tighten up your chest, engage the core the whole entire time, this is the way to do it. Squeeze those glutes too, feet shoulder width apart. 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're gonna do a lateral burpee next, okay? So we're jumping to the side. When you jump into the side with this burpee, this is really gonna help with that IT band, okay? So IT band is also good for runners. I've been doing a lot of running lately, so I've been trying to strengthen those muscles up to avoid injury. So I want you to avoid injury too, all right? Make sure you keep your feet about shoulder width apart as you're jumping. You're gonna come into a nice little plank position as you go into that down burpee. Do as many as you can, so keep the pace up. 1, and break. All right, single leg push up with the left leg lifted. All right, so you're gonna go at your own pace with this particular workout. I know you kind of worn out from that burpee, and I know Amber hates that. I know she's gonna say something about that in the comments. But anyway, if you don't like the burpees, make sure you comment down below. I'm probably still gonna put them in the videos anyway. All right, make sure you bring your chest down as low as possible with this workout. Make sure you exhale. Posture is everything. Break. All right, so we're switching sides now. We're doing single leg push-up with the right leg lifted, okay? So lifting the leg up is going to definitely make this workout a lot more challenging. You know, you want to keep your arms, your shoulders actually in line with your hands. So when you're coming down to that push-up position, you know, keep your head in neutral position, suck that belly button in, and try to squeeze those glutes, keeping that leg up at the same time. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so now we're starting everything over and it's getting a little bit more taxing. We're gonna take that high plank dip that we did earlier and bring it down to a low plank dip, okay? So your shoulder's gonna be right over your elbows. All right, you're still gonna suck that belly button in as you come into that plank position, squeezing the glutes as you bring your butt or your glutes lower to the ground, okay? Feet can be up to 6 to 12 inches apart. If you want to make this workout harder, bring your feet closer together. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, back to the close hand push-ups. Like I said, this is a taxing workout and it may not feel comfortable right now, but as you get stronger, your wrist will get stronger and the movement will get stronger. I highly suggest doing some kind of rotational exercises with your wrist too prior to this, so I probably should have said that earlier, but if you read the descriptions, you'll see all the information in there too as well. All right, make sure you push through this particular workout, no pun intended. 2, 1, and break. Lateral burpees is next. Everyone loves the burpees, right? Now, when you're doing these burpees, you want to bring your hands in the air, okay? This is going to help engage that core and also help you carry yourself to the other side of that mat, all right? So find yourself a destination and try to jump to that destination, maintaining your posture the whole entire time. I know you're tired, but you only have 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Single leg push up with the left leg lifted. All right, so this is crunch time. You're gonna wanna stop, and that's perfectly fine. I wanted to stop, okay? But I'm forcing myself to do it, and I want you to force it too as well. All right, so shoulders gonna be over your wrist. Bring yourself as low to the ground as possible and push yourself up. It's not about speed, it's all about your posture. So maintain a good posture with this workout. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're switching sides. So there's really no break with this particular workout except for these 10 seconds. So shake it out and get ready to get right back to work with the same movement except for we're lifting that right leg up, okay? So hold what you got. If you need to hold the plank and just hold that foot up, do that. And then slowly bring yourself up. It doesn't matter how many push-ups you do as long as you do them correctly, okay? Do not cheat yourself. 3, 2, 1, and break.
All right, so that was tough, okay? Your chest should be on fire, core should be engaged. Now, well, let's wash that down with some more core workouts. Looks like I'm snotting, but it's actually sweat. Russian twist, let's go.
All right, so the Russian twist, man, this workout right here, I tell you what. All right, you're gonna bring your heels to the ground, bring your body to a 45-degree angle, and I want you to keep your eyes on your hands, reaching behind your glutes, okay? That's the key method with this particular workout, twisting that core. 3, 2, 1, and break. Reverse crunch is next. I want you to lay flat on your back in a relaxed mode, and I want you to drop your feet down to the ground, lifting your knees or lifting your feet up to a perpendicular rotation, if that makes sense. Just bring your feet straight in the air. All right, take your time with this. You don't want to roll over to the other side, so just concentrate on bringing your feet straight up to the top. Do not put your hands under your butt. That's why you want to make sure your feet come down to the ground. As you get stronger, it gets easier. All right, sit-ups are going to be next. All right, with the sit-ups, I want you to come up to an upright position. Keep your hands on your shoulders, all right? I don't want you to put them behind your head because I want you pulling on your neck. Okay, I see a lot of people having issues with that. So this is gonna help you engage the core too and also make the workout a little bit easier. So drive your heels into the ground, come up as slow as you can. Make sure you exhale as you're doing the work. So whenever you come up, you should be breathing in my face. And break. Flutter kicks, okay? So flutter kicks are definitely one of those workouts that you want to end as soon as possible. All right, so I want your shoulder blades to be off the ground. I want your hands to the side. I want your feet to come no lower than 6 inches from the ground. fluttering, keeping your toes pointed forward, okay? You're gonna be engaging the core the whole entire time if you keep this method up. All right, you got about 5 seconds left to hold what you got. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so this is a breather for you. All right, so we're just doing a plank. All right, so really straightforward with planks, okay? I want you to hold your head in a neutral position, meaning I want you to look straight at the ground. Keep your shoulders right over your wrist. Suck that belly button in. Squeeze those glutes as if you're trying to hold a quarter right between your butt cheeks. You have 10 seconds left. Feet should be shoulder width apart. If you want to make it harder, feet together. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're starting everything over. This is the last set. We're doing an elevated Russian twist. So things are gonna get a little bit more harder, okay? We're bringing some Pilates into the mix. Holding your feet above the ground this time. Still having that same concept, keeping your eyes on your hands and bringing those hands behind the glutes, okay? This is gonna really engage the core, all right? So if you really wanna slim that core down, you wanna do it this direct way. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, reverse crunch. This time we're not bringing our hands down to our feet down to the ground, okay? So the same concept as we did before is just gonna get a little bit harder, all right? So keep those feet in the air, don't let it touch the ground. Hands are gonna be to the side, not under your glutes, all right? You're gonna squeeze your glutes as your feet come up to the sky, okay? So try to kick the sky right in the face. About 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, sit-ups, okay? These sit-ups gonna feel a lot different than they did the first round, okay? So you're still driving those heels to the ground. You still have your shoulders on your, you still have your hands on your shoulders, okay? Try to bring yourself back as slow as possible. You don't wanna just plop down to the ground, especially if you're laying on concrete like myself, all right? So focus on what you're doing. Posture is going to be everything. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, flutter kicks, okay? This is it, y'all. We're almost done, all right? So I really want you to focus on bringing those shoulder blades off the ground. Your body is gonna feel really, really heavy. And it's gonna say, hey, I just wanna lay my head down, but you're not gonna let it you're not giving your body a break, all right? Mind over matter, 90% mental, 10% physical. Squeeze those glutes, flutter those legs. 2, 1, and break. All right, low planks, easy peasy. Just a little bit harder because we're not in a high plank. Now, same concept as a regular plank, except for we're gonna be on our elbows this time. Shoulders gonna be over the elbows. We're still sucking in that belly button, squeezing the glutes. Remind yourself to squeeze the glutes. Feet about shoulder width apart or close together if you wanna make it a little bit harder. And just breathe through it. 3, 2, 1, and break. Good job.
All right, so there you have it, guys. That was a great core workout. I know your core is tight because mine is tight as hell right now. You probably see my abs going on right there. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, hit the like button, smash the like button, throw that like button in the corner and hit it again, you know, drop kick it, whatever you gotta do. Anyway, let's keep it going, guys. Catch you next video. Peace.